Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you feel like your hair is not getting clean enough? Well, I definitely would highly recommend this product.
It makes it super clean, but not dry. As you can see, it gets really sudsy, which I really feel like makes it more clean. It also lasts a really long time because you really don't need a lot. And I always keep it just an arm's reach away from the shower. And as you can see here, is little residue. This is after I washed her hair and put it in a style.
So if you are looking for a shampoo that really leaves your hair smelling good, feeling clean, looking clean, I would definitely recommend this product. I've tried a lot of really good ones, and this is one of my favorites for sure. So I would highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.